All right, so I went to the store and I got a box of these Topps opening day baseball cards. And I found a really cool series called Bomb Squad. Okay, and look at these Bomb Squad cards I found. Moogie Betts, unreal. Vladdy Jr., unreal. Fucking A-Rod. Are you kidding me? Unreal. Mike Trout, just solid. Manny Machado, sick. The Shohei Ohtani, like, look at these cards, are ridiculous. And then the Mac Daddy of them all, I couldn't believe it. Hank Aaron card. This is a gem. Hank Aaron Bomb Squad. Atlanta Braves card. So solid. Couldn't believe it. Awesome deck. Thank you, Topps.